Hi, my name is Eric Moe, and I'm a Senior Product Manager in the Windows Commercial Insights to Impact team. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for July 2026. Let's start with a few highlights from this month's release. Note that some of these features may be rolling out gradually, so you might not see them on your device just yet. With point-in-time restore, you can quickly roll back your PC, including apps, settings, and personal files, to a recent automatic restore point. A quieter, more focused widgets experience helps reduce interruptions and improves default settings and notification controls. You can manually enter a zoom percentage and change it in increments in the magnifier window for more precise, flexible control. You'll find improved reliability and performance when using Bluetooth devices. And you can now use voice access and voice typing in French, German, and Spanish. Now let's move to our Windows 11 tip of the month. Have you ever been in the middle of doing something on your PC and found yourself constantly reaching for your phone? With Phone Link, you can access your mobile device right from your Windows PC. Send texts, see notifications, make calls, access photos, and even interact with your phone's screen without picking it up on supported devices. And over the past year, Microsoft has made the experience even more seamless, including easier access from the Start menu and expanded support for viewing your mobile device directly from your PC. Let us show you a few favorite features. Getting started is simple. Open Phone Link on your Windows PC and follow the pairing instructions. Install the Link to Windows app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Microsoft account and connect the two devices. Once connected, your phone becomes part of your Windows experience. Need an app that's only available on your phone? If you use an Android phone, you can launch Phone Screen and interact with your entire mobile device from your PC. Tap, scroll, type, and navigate using your mouse and keyboard. If you frequently use certain Android apps, you don't need to hunt for them every time. Add apps to your favorites list by right-clicking on an app and selecting Add to Favorites, or drag and drop. You can also pin apps to start or to your taskbar for quick access. Your most used mobile apps are now just a click away. If you're working across multiple screens and want to stay focused, here are a few shortcuts worth memorizing. Control plus Shift plus D to toggle Do Not Disturb on and off. Control plus Shift plus V to mute or unmute volume. Control plus R to refresh your phone link. Control plus Alt plus K to clear all notifications. Working on the go? If your device supports it, Instant Hotspot lets you turn on and connect your phone's hotspot directly from your PC without unlocking your phone or entering passwords. Your phone appears in the available Wi-Fi list, and one click gets you connected. Phone Link works with both Android and iPhone, but the experiences aren't identical. With Android, you get the most complete feature set. You can access notifications, messages, calls, photos, and even run mobile apps directly on your PC. You can also view and interact with your phone screen from Windows, making it feel like your phone is sitting on your desktop. With iPhone, you can make and receive calls, send and receive messages, and manage notifications from your PC. However, some limitations remain, including support for group messaging and multimedia sharing. Think of Android as the full remote control experience, while iPhone provides a streamlined companion experience. Ready to connect? Open Phone Link and bring your phone and PC together. I hope you enjoyed this month's tip. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback via this month's release notes page or leave a comment on this video on YouTube. You can find many more great tips on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.